In this video, you will see how to make shape transparent in LibreOffice Writer. As you can see, I have this shape that I have made transparent and you can see through the shape. First, you need to select the shape from here. For example, I am selecting circle and then draw the circle. After drawing the circle, it will have a by default blue color. To remove this blue color, you will see here the option of color. Instead of any color, you need to select here no color. However, the border doesn't look so good as it is of blue color and it is very thin. So to change the border color, you can click here and select the border color. For example, let's say red one. And if you want to increase the thickness of this border, you can make use of line width. Just click on the arrow buttons here to increase or decrease the line width like this. Now when you click on the shape, hold the shape and move the shape, you will notice that this shape is now a transparent shape. However, if you want color inside the shape and if you want to increase the color transparency, for example, we will select the red color. To increase the transparency, you need to right click, then go to the area option. And here you will see the option of transparency. Click on transparency and you can see here how it will look. So let's say I will make this 70% transparent. And after clicking on the OK, as you can see, we have a semi-transparent shape with the color. In this way, you can make shape transparent in LibreOffice Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn more about LibreOffice quickly. See you again in the next one.